Hey everybody, I got a quick video to do. I picked up the Bose SoundSport free wireless earbuds. So we're going to do an unboxing. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Alright. So these I picked up from Amazon. I picked them up with the 5 monthly payments. So they also had them on sale. Instead of $199, they were $179. And I had to fight with the post office because they delivered it to the wrong address. Which was kind of annoying, because my tracking said delivered. SoundSport free. The tracking said delivered. Went down there and checked the mail. There was no key in my box, but both boxes, partial lockers had keys in them, like somebody already picked them up. So I had to go to the post office and I had to fight with the postmaster to get him to have his driver go figure out where she dropped them off. Or dropped it off. So I got the orange with the navy blue. And the bottom of the box says SoundSport free wireless headphones, orange and navy. Has a serial number, right and a left. Part numbers for each, right and left. Or yeah, right and left. So let's get it open. Nice. Folds open like a book. That's pretty neat. Here's the case. Let's slide it off. It'll come off. Are they in the case? They are in the case. So they are navy blue with orange. They do have a nice sturdy magnet. There's the prongs on the back. The button that opens the hinge also tells you the charge, which is pretty nice. Has your booklets, your safety information, something in Dutch, a quick start guide. And what is this? This is a quick connect guide. Okay. It does come with 2 sets of earbuds. And I'll be right back. Let me go grab something. This is the BT2 Bluetooth single earpiece. This was stopped being made in 2015. I have 2 of them. They both work. These are for the right ear. You can tell they actually have the exact same ear covers. Except it has a plushy end on this one instead of just a pointed end, which I'll eventually do a review on these because I've had them for a long time. I've had these since 2012, and I also have the SoundLink mobile speaker 2 that I've had since 2012 as well. They're all still working, so I'll do a review on these later, but I just wanted to show that it has a similar earpiece. If we open the earbuds so it's easier to see. Pretty similar, the only difference is this just has a tunnel. This one has like a regular stereo puffy piece. And then it has a charging cable, which is micro USB to USB-A. That looks like everything that came in the box. Put that back on there so I can mess with it later. Easy to love, hard to lose. It's got some saying on the side. It's a very nice box. I dig the box. I like the box. It's pretty nice. So this is going to be an unboxing, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing some separate reviews. I'm going to be doing a review with these Bose against these Galaxy Buds. I'm going to be doing a different video where it's these Bose, these against these Galaxy Buds against these Zeecock Buds that I have sitting here. And then I'm also going to do a different video it's going to be these two first. This is going to be one video, and then these three is going to be a secondary video, and then I'm going to do a third video, which is these Bose against these Galaxy Buds against these Zeecock Buds, and the Jabra Elite 65T Buds. And then I'm going to do a fourth video that's going to be the Bose against the Galaxy Buds against the Zeecock Buds against the Jabra Elite 65T Buds and against the Jabra Elite 75T Buds. And the 65Ts that I'm going to be showing on the channel and I'm going to be doing the comparison against is going to be the Jabra Elite Active 65T Buds. Hopefully they come out with a Jabra Elite Active 75T pair of buds, and I'll be doing the comparison against those. If they don't, I will just be doing the comparison against all of the buds against the 75T non-active versions. So please stick around. Those videos will be coming out soon. I need to pick up the Jabra 65T actives, and the Jabra 75Ts aren't going to be released until like October, November sometime. Which means if they do make an active version, it's not going to be until next year, so that video will be next year. So stick around for all these comparison videos, and we're going to be comparing the 65T and 75T in their own separate video, just those two together, because I'm going to be doing a video comparison with my wife. I'm going to give my takes on the 65Ts and the 75Ts as well, and then I'm going to hand her the 75Ts and the 65Ts, because the 75Ts are supposed to be built smaller than the 65Ts. So I want to see, because she has smaller ears, I want to see what her take on the 75Ts and them making them smaller and how they fit in her ears. So stick around for that video. So stick around, keep an eye out for that video, and hopefully you'll like this set of video series. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll put a link down below for this set of earbuds on Amazon if you'd like to pick them up. The only reason I picked them up on Amazon was because Walmart sells them for $199. You can't do a monthly payment plan. Verizon, I could buy them on Verizon, but you know, it would just postpone it for 30 days and then it would be pushed onto my next bill cycle. And you know, my bill's $100 something already. I don't want, you know, $200 on top of it. So I found them on Amazon. They were actually doing it $179.99, and you could pay 5 monthly payments. So my first payment, which was the tax and everything, was $51, $52, somewhere around there, and the next 4 payments is $35. Originally, I looked at them. It was going to be $58 for the first payment and $39.99 a month. But because they dropped them on sale 2 days after I looked at them, I picked them up. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Yeah.